Hi everyone, it's been a while since we've filmed, but I'm back here today to put some LanoGuard back on the Jeep. It's been around about 2.5 years since we first put some LanoGuard on here. I can see there's a little bit of corrosion that's come, but bearing in mind this has been through all sorts of off-roading, salt, etc. Let's have a quick look underneath. It doesn't look too bad at the front here. You can see a little bit of corrosion just towards the outside, but generally underneath it's kept it in pretty good condition. Take a look in at the back, you can see we've got the EMU shock absorbers. I know when we had them fitted, a few people said to me that they were quite prone to rusting, and that's why I gave it a really good dosing of LanoGuard previously. And in fact, you can see on there, it's still got quite a good coating on it. And actually where this is here, this is where there was a sticky label that's come off of it, but it's protected it and it's prevented any rust from building up on it. I can see I have got a small oil leak on there. I know it's pretty common on the diesels as well. That also is probably helping to prevent any corrosion in that centre area. So here's a little hack for you. Get yourself one of these Spear & Jackson pressure weed killer washer, whatever you want to call it, off of Amazon. They're about £10. Going to save you no end of time putting the LanoGuard on, and also it also saves you from getting it all over yourself as well. Here we go, here's the bottle. We'll just put a bit of this in. I don't think we need to have the whole load in there. Obviously make sure your sprayer is clean and hasn't got any other weed killer or anything else like that in it, because you don't want that mixed in with your LanoGuard. Okay, that's about half of it. We'll save the rest of it because we'll also want to use this just to get to any places, for example with the little insertion end piece, to make sure that if we want to get that inside the chassis as well. So let's pump it up and start spraying. Let's start applying. Oh, and obviously don't forget to make sure you wash thoroughly the underneath of the vehicle, get off any salt, any other debris that might be under there. If need be, it won't be a bad idea sometimes to give it a bit of a quick wire brush over. I gave this a good jet wash over yesterday. It's been nice and sunny today, so it's made sure that all the water is gone and we're not going to get any of that trapped underneath the LanoGuard. There'll be a link down below for the sprayer and also an affiliate link which will help us out on this video for a discount when you purchase LanoGuard. So if you could use that, really appreciate it. And also likewise, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. And let's just get some more of it on these shockers at the back, make sure they're good for another few years. It goes on really nicely, dead easy, so much easier with this sprayer like this. Before, if you're getting under there without the lance, it really can get a bit messy, but with this it makes it so much easier. Even as you can see there, if there's like little areas you need to spray inside, it makes it dead easy. Okay, that's all done now then. Let's have a quick look around just to show what it looks like afterwards. Again, thanks very much and take care.